In this video, I will show you how you can copy and paste the captions from Instagram. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. In Instagram, I have this post of MKBHT and I want to copy his captions. So the method is that you need to go to this 3 vertical dots and then copy the link, and then you need to exit the app and open the Chrome browser. Within the Chrome browser, you need to paste this link and search. It will open the same post in your browser. It will give you a reminder to open the app, but you can skip that by clicking not now. And here you can double tap anywhere in the caption and you can drag and select the caption and then copy that. So that's how you can copy and paste the captions from the Instagram app. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.